Brownneck. Brownneck, Bobby coming at you live. Today, we're doing something fucking special. We're going to the PGA merchandise show with our boy Brownneck Sagar. He got passes and we gonna get in. We're gonna show you all that shit. I heard they got virtual golf there. They got a bunch of Adidas shops there. Bubba Watson's gonna be there. We got fucking Brownneck Michael with us. Brownneck? And we got Brownneck Sagar. Look, I hate when my camera does this.
A sperm whale. After as long as an hour in the deep, they return to the surface to breathe. Before they dive again, they fertilize the surface.
A drop off.
Brownneck. We at the convention right now.
Brownnecks.
We're at the convention. And we going to the west side to the PGA. What's it called? We have to go to the west side right now. So guys, Brownneck Sagar got me one pass. As you can see.
That's two passes.
Two passes. Now Michael's gonna go get his own pass. We all in. We all in. Michael and Sagar.
But today we're all just Sagar.
But today we're all just Sagar.
GP3, Chris Paul.
Where?
The best guy in the state.
Where is he?
And I'm sure with Chris Paul's family, as I know, I mean, Chris is a decent golfer. I think his brother probably is a much better golfer and has time to work on his game. Wants to look at his game. But when they're all together,
Sagar's company he works for. Nice golf balls.
Yeah, you want to do it?
Golfing range.
Are you good at it?
I suck at golf.
So do I.
Alright, we left the golf convention because that shit was boring. And now we're probably gonna go to the surf convention.
Neil, put in your other.
Oh,
No, it's in the car.
No, it's right here.
Oh, you brought it?
I think they look the same.
This one looks just like yours. Oh, but
Gumdrop.
Yeah.
Drop top. We're at the technology convention now.
Isn't this what a professor's use?
My
My professors use this.
Okay, I open it up.
you guys got any questions?
No, we're just looking around.
It's cool. The printing part is over there.
Oh, it's a 3D printer.
What's up?
Oh, so they're making this cactus?
This one's making a ship. This is all the 3D stuff they made. It's cool. What's this one making?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Oh, it's probably making this.
Oh, a cactus?
Oh, no. It doesn't look like a cactus to me.
Making this. Making that. Look guys, I found Vin Diesel.
I bet he beats you in a staring contest.
You both stand there.
boy young.
We're at BJ's right now. Huge ass menu. We got artichoke. We got some artichoke dip.
We missed all the appetizers. I just realized that.
We got deep dish pizza from BJ's. Sagar ordered a medium slice. They gave him a whole medium pizza.
Yeah, that still doesn't make sense.
What's wrong with this light, man? What?
Yeah, this light's been red for like 10 minutes. I'm gonna go next. Oh, look at that guy just running. This guy was trying to be a man.
You're good.
Sorry, Leo.
What the fuck was he thinking?
Yeah, I was right. This nigga, I'm gonna go.
Yeah, we about to floor this bitch.
Oh yeah, this is a close way too.
East, yeah.
1,000 subscribers and counting. Subscribe today and join the crew.